Welcome to Study Point. Here we are discussing some important question of reasoning section and analogy part. So our first question is admire the test obscure question mark. Our first group is given admire and the test. What is the relation between these two words? So see here, admire is the antonym of the test. So what is the antonym of obscure? So see here, obscure is antonym of apparent. So our correct answer is apparent. So here given option A, apparent. Our next question is acid red litmus dash question mark. What is the relation between acid and red litmus? So see here, acid turns the color of litmus to red. So acid turns the color of litmus to red. So acid and red litmus. Then base, by using same logic, we can conclude that base turns the color of litmus to blue. Base turns the color of litmus to blue. So our blue litmus is correct answer. So here given option A, blue litmus. Our next question is crazy sand feeble question mark. So what is the relation between first group crazy and sand? See here, crazy is the antonym of sand. Crazy opposite word of sand. So by same logic, feeble is the antonym of strong. That is, strong is the opposite word of feeble. So our correct answer is strong. Here given option A, strong. Our next question is Amalthea Jupiter Callisto question mark. In first group given that Amalthea is a moon of Jupiter. So Callisto whose moon? See here, Amalthea is the name of a moon of Jupiter. So with the same logic, Callisto is the name of moon of Saturn. Callisto is a moon of Saturn. So our correct answer is Saturn. They are given option D. Option D, Saturn. Our next question is MWRG NXSH CYRW question mark. They are given first group MWRG and NXSH. So see here, the relation between M and N is that M plus 1 equal N. Then W and X, W plus 1 equal X. R plus 1 S, G plus 1 H. With the same logic, we get C plus 1 D, Y plus 1 Z, R plus 1 S, W plus 1 X. So our correct answer is DZSX. So our correct option B, DZSX.